Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open camera and enable live photos so the shutter records motion and sound. Make sure your iPhone has available storage and battery life because live photos use extra space. This avoids dropped frames. Tap the live photos icon so it's yellow, then position the subject, steady your hands, and press the shutter. Hold for about 1 to 3 seconds. This captures the short clip before and after the shot, which gives you the flexibility to pick a key frame later. Once done capturing, open Photos and select the live photo you want to refine. Tap Edit to reveal individual frames and the effects menu. You can scrub the small timeline to pick the clearest moment, and then tap Make Key Photo so that frame shows as the still image in albums. Use effects like loop or bounce for short repeats, or long exposure to simulate motion blur. Make sure to crop and adjust exposure if needed, because these tweaks affect both the still and the animated parts. To finish, share live photos directly through Messages or AirDrop and confirm the live option is enabled so motion is preserved for compatible devices. If you need universal playback, export the live photo as a video from the share sheet. That creates a standard file others can play. If the motion is missing, make sure live is still enabled and that storage or low power mode didn't interfere. Also check that iOS is up to date and restart the phone if things still act oddly. This resolves most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.